often people that have careers in natural resources probably have a degree in environmental science as a field. And my undergraduate degree is actually in biochemistry of all things. And so my happy place is actually kind of really nerding out over thinking about small micronutrients and how they might cycle into the environment, and really ecology. And that's kind of how that desire to understand how, for example, iron might move from soil to get into water, to be uptaken by plants, to be eaten by animals, to kind of then maybe even be consumed by people and move through the environment, was kind of what led me down the path that I'm on. But that path has, I'd say, gotten increasingly macroscopic over time. And so I started pretty darn small, and have, gotten to the point that I'm talking to you about grazing and fire as the things that I actually do on a day-to-day basis, which is very far from where I started in a lab in college. So a lot of my path, was actually getting kind of bigger and thinking more ecologically and more system driven over time. And I think it has served me well, however, to be, I think, prepared and sort of have that foundation in a much sort of smaller science, even though, as I said at the top, it's somewhat atypical. Not, the average person that I run into, that I work with, is not necessarily, has probably had a different path than I have had. So I have a bachelor's degree in biochemistry and molecular biology, and I actually have a master's degree in soil science. So when I'm feeling a little cheeky, I like to say that I have the biological, chemical, and physical sciences all covered. But actually, I kind of do rangeland management and prescribed fire.